Is your hometown Christmas game feeling dull? Or maybe you want to scope out the competition? Did you know 50% of Americans travel during the holiday season? How about joining them and checking out one of these 9 Christmas travel hotspots that take their season's greetings seriously? Let's go! Everything is big in New York City, and Christmas is no different, starting with the iconic Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. This towering beauty stands at a staggering 75 feet and is adorned with over 5 miles of lights. Crowned with a dazzling Swarovski star, it's like the Beyoncé of Christmas trees. Tourists from all over the world come just to see it up close and personal. Just remember, if you plan to visit, get there early to avoid the throngs of fellow tree admirers. Trust me, you don't want to get caught in the crowd trying to snap that perfect selfie. Next up is Wollman Rink in Central Park, where you can glide across the ice with the stunning Manhattan skyline as your backdrop. While the iconic Rockefeller Center rink is a classic, it's pricey and hard to book. Instead, Wollman offers a festive experience without the hassle. You can also check out the rink at Bryant Park, which has free admission if you bring your own skates, or the LaFrac Center in Prospect Park for indoor and outdoor options. Pro tip: to avoid a human avalanche, skate on a weekday. And let's not forget about Santaland at Macy's Herald Square. This 13,000 square foot holiday wonderland is perfect for kids and kids at heart. You'll be greeted by prancing reindeer and an array of whimsical decor that might just make you believe in Santa again. At least until January, when reality sets back in. If you're looking for something a bit more unique, take a bike tour through Dyker Heights in Brooklyn that showcases the dazzling decorations without the hassle of parking or traffic. Known for its extravagant Christmas lights, this neighborhood boasts decorations that rival any holiday movie set. Just be prepared for some serious competition when it comes to who has the best display. There's even a house that features a life-size Santa on the roof. For more about staying in New York, check out this video and don't forget to subscribe. Nestled in the picturesque Santa Ynez Valley in California, Solvang is a quaint little village that goes all out for the festive season, proving that you don't need snow to celebrate Christmas in style. The magic kicks off with the annual Solvang Yule Fest, a month-long celebration that transforms the town into a sparkling wonderland. From late November through early January, the streets are lined with twinkling lights and festive decorations that would make even Santa himself consider relocating. You can stroll along charming streets, soaking in the sights and sounds while snarfing up some seriously tasty Danish pastries. Because what's Christmas without a little indulgence? One of the highlights of Yule Fest is the tree lighting ceremony. Picture this, a cozy park filled with laughter, caroling, and the smell of roasted chestnuts wafting through the air. As the tree lights up, you might just find yourself tearing up, though it could be from that extra slice of Kringle you had earlier. For families, there's no shortage of fun. Kids can embark on the Nisse adventure, a scavenger hunt for Danish gnomes hidden throughout the village. It's like an elf-themed treasure hunt, but with fewer pointy hats and more delicious treats at the end. And speaking of treats, don't miss out on visiting Santa's Village in Solvang Park every Saturday before Christmas for free photos with Mr. Claus himself. Just be sure to bring your wish list. He's been known to check it twice. If you're looking for something unique, hop on the Solvang Trolley Christmas Light Tour. Glide through the streets while sipping hot cocoa and marveling at dazzling displays. It's like being in your own holiday movie, just without the dramatic plot twists. Come Christmas time, Vail is usually a snowy paradise that looks like it was plucked straight from a holiday movie set. Take for instance the Vail Village tree lighting ceremony. Picture this, a towering Christmas tree adorned with thousands of sparkling lights, surrounded by locals and visitors singing carols. It's the kind of scene that makes you want to grab a cup of hot cocoa and belt out jingle bells at the top of your lungs. Once the tree is aglow, it's time to hit the slopes. Vail Ski Resort boasts over 5,300 acres of skiable terrain. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner still figuring out how to stay upright, there's something for everyone. And if skiing isn't your thing, don't worry. You can still enjoy stunning views while sipping on a holiday cocktail at one of the many cozy lodges. For those who prefer their winter fun off the slopes, Vail has plenty of festive activities lined up. The Kris Kringle Market is a must-visit, offering a delightful assortment of handmade gifts and delicious treats. Imagine sipping mulled wine while browsing through stalls filled with unique crafts. Talk about a holiday shopping win. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, why not take a horse-drawn sleigh ride through the snowy landscape? As night falls, don't miss the magic of lights Vail, where over 500,000 lights illuminate the Betty Ford Alpine Gardens in a breathtaking display. Leavenworth, a charming Bavarian-style village in the stunning Cascade Mountains, transforms into a dazzling Christmas town each winter, making it a top destination for holiday revelers. If you're looking for a place that feels like living inside a snow globe, Leavenworth is your ticket to holiday magic. The festivities kick off with the Christmas Lighting Festival, which starts the Friday after Thanksgiving and runs for 3 glorious weeks. Imagine this, over 500,000 lights illuminating the town, creating a festive glow that would make even Santa's workshop envious. The best part? The lights shine bright daily from Thanksgiving through February, so you have plenty of time to soak in the holiday cheer without feeling rushed. As you wander down Front Street, the aroma of roasted chestnuts and hot cocoa fills the air, beckoning you to indulge in some seasonal treats. And let's be honest, calories don't count during the holidays. You can also enjoy live music and entertainment while snapping photos with holiday characters. For families, there's no shortage of fun activities. Kids can participate in the gingerbread house competition, a sweet showdown that's sure to spark their creativity and maybe some frosting wars. Looking to travel abroad for the holidays? Look no further than Lisbon, Portugal. With festive decorations throughout the city and over 2.1 million LED bulbs lighting up its famously tiled streets, your eyes will be dazzled, and your ears will appreciate a break from the constant barrage of American Christmas music. Stroll through the charming neighborhoods of Baixa and Chiado, where the streets come alive with festive cheer, and the aroma of roasted chestnuts wafts through the air. One of the highlights of Christmas in Lisbon is visiting Praça do Comércio, home to Europe's tallest Christmas tree. Standing proudly against the backdrop of the Tagus River, this tree is so magnificent that you might feel tempted to climb it. Nearby, you can enjoy local delicacies at bustling Christmas markets, where you can snack on everything from bacalhau à brás, a delicious cod dish, to bolo rei, a traditional Portuguese king cake that's basically a sweet, festive hug for your taste buds. For families, Wonderland Lisboa at Parque Eduardo VII is a must-visit. This magical winter fair features an ice skating rink, carnival rides, and even Santa himself. Don't miss the Rocio Christmas Market, where you can shop for unique gifts while enjoying live music and festive food. And if you're lucky enough to be in town on Christmas Eve, join the locals for midnight mass at one of Lisbon's stunning churches. It's a beautiful way to soak in the culture and spirit of the season. And let's not forget about indulging in some local treats. Grab a cup of ginja, a sweet cherry liqueur that's been warming hearts and spirits since the 19th century. It's like liquid Christmas cheer in a glass. And we wouldn't be doing our due diligence if we didn't mention Portuguese pastries. They are literally why I keep going back to Lisbon. Stop by Pastéis de Belém and thank me later. Basel, Switzerland, a place where the holiday spirit is as rich as the famous Swiss chocolate. If you're looking for a Christmas destination that combines stunning architecture, festive markets, and enough mulled wine to keep you warm, Basel is your perfect match. This charming city is often dubbed the Christmas capital of Switzerland, and for good reason. The highlight of the season is undoubtedly the Basel Christmas Market, which runs from November 28th to December 23rd. Voted the best Christmas market in Europe, it's like stepping into a winter wonderland where every corner sparkles with lights and joy. With around 155 rustic wooden chalets lining the streets of Münsterplatz and Barfüßerplatz, you'll find everything from handmade ornaments to delicious Swiss treats. As you wander through the market, don't miss the chance to indulge in some local delicacies. Picture yourself savoring raclette, because melted cheese is basically a food group here, while sipping on a warm cup of glühwein, a festive concoction that warms your heart and your hands. And if you're feeling adventurous, try the Basel Leckerli, a gingerbread-like treat that's so good you might just want to pack a suitcase full of it home with you. One of the most enchanting experiences is visiting the magnificent Christmas tree in Münsterplatz, adorned with ornaments crafted by renowned decorator Johann Vonner. For an extra dose of holiday magic, hop on the Christmas ferry across the Rhine River as the sun sets and the lights twinkle on both shores. And if you're up for some exercise after all those treats, climb up to Basel Cathedral for breathtaking views of the city's sparkling lights. If you're searching for a Christmas destination that's steeped in history, charm, and enough festive spirit to make your heart sing, look no further than the magical city of Prague. The Prague Christmas markets from November 30th to January 6th are the main event. The Old Town Square transforms into a winter wonderland, complete with a towering Christmas tree that's more dazzling than your Aunt Edna's holiday sweater collection. With wooden stalls featuring handcrafted goods, you'll find everything from traditional Czech ornaments to delicious snacks that will make your taste buds dance. Speaking of snacks, prepare to indulge in some serious culinary delights. Picture yourself sipping on mulled wine while munching on trudelník, a sweet pastry that's basically a warm hug in dessert form. And don't forget to try the local Czech sausages. Their Polish neighbors to the north aren't the only ones who can make a killer banger. As you wander through the market, you'll be serenaded by the sounds of Christmas carols and the delightful aroma of roasted chestnuts. It's like stepping into a holiday postcard, complete with charming decorations and twinkling lights that can make even the Grinch crack a smile. For an extra dose of magic, catch the daily tree lighting ceremony and enjoy live performances that will have you humming along. Just be careful not to get too carried away. You might end up leading a conga line. Known as the Christmas capital of Germany, Dresden is home to some of the oldest and most charming Christmas markets in Europe, making it a must-visit for holiday enthusiasts. The star of the show is undoubtedly the Striezelmarkt, which dates back to 1434 and is considered the oldest Christmas market in Germany. Picture this: rows of beautifully decorated stalls offering everything from handcrafted ornaments to the famous Dresdner Stollen, a fruitcake so good it should come with its own fan club. As you wander through the market, you'll be enveloped in the delightful aroma of mulled wine and roasted almonds. Another gem is the romantic Christmas market at the Taschenberg Palais. Here, you can sip on hot wine punch while enjoying a cozy atmosphere. Plus, there's an ice skating rink nearby, perfect for showing off your less than graceful skating skills. Don't miss the Winter Lights Market on the Pragerstrasse, where a 15-meter tall Christmas tree lights up the night sky in a spectacular display. For families, Santa makes daily appearances at various markets, ensuring that kids leave with smiles and maybe a few surprises. And if you're feeling adventurous, check out the Medieval Advent Festival at Dresden Castle, where you can experience Christmas like it was celebrated centuries ago, minus the lack of indoor plumbing. With its charming half-timbered houses and enchanting streets, Strasbourg knows how to celebrate the season in style. The highlight of Christmas in Strasbourg is undoubtedly the Strasbourg Christmas market, which dates back to 1570, making it the oldest in France and one of the oldest in Europe. Picture this: over 300 stalls spread across various squares, all brimming with festive goodies and unique gifts. You'll find everything from handcrafted ornaments to delicious local treats like bredla, traditional Christmas cookies, and steaming mugs of mulled wine. Because what's Christmas without a little liquid cheer? And as you wander through the market, you'll be captivated by the stunning 30-meter tall Christmas tree in Place Kleber, decked out with colorful ornaments and lights that could rival a disco ball. Don't miss the chance to hop on the charming carousel at Place Gutenberg. It's not just for kids, adults are also welcome. And as night falls, Strasbourg transforms into a magical spectacle with twinkling lights illuminating every corner. The scent of cinnamon and spices fills the air, making it impossible not to get swept up in the festive spirit. C'est magnifique! And there you have it, 9 unforgettable Christmas travel hotspots that promise to sprinkle your holiday season with magic and joy. Whether you're exploring the twinkling streets of Strasbourg or savoring treats in Lisbon, each destination offers a unique way to celebrate the most wonderful time of the year. So grab your passport, pack your warmest socks, and get ready to make some merry memories. Happy travels and Feliz Natal! From your friends at the Vacation Agent, safe travels.